Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, tutorials and lots of hacks and tricks. I make videos every Monday and Thursday and sometimes also on a Saturday because it's my favorite day of the week. Today in this video I'm going to talk about one simple foundation hack that's going to make your face look flawless. Before we begin, I'd just like to say if you're interested in videos like this one, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notified every time I post new videos. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let's talk about this foundation hack. These days when we watch a lot of these makeup tutorials on YouTube, Instagram, everybody's putting a lot of product on their face. They're putting foundation, color correction, concealers, 2, 3, 4 kinds of concealers, all sorts of things. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. I do that myself too, but I understand for some people it might get a bit overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner. It's very hard to understand. You don't know what products you're meant to be buying, what shades, what this, and even if you do get all these products, when you apply on your face, it does not look like how it looked on Instagram. Or you could just be someone who just does not like to put a lot of makeup on their face. You just want your skin to look beautiful and still look natural. I get that, sister. I myself don't always go out wearing heaps and heaps of makeup. Sometimes I like to go with a natural look. So that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about this one foundation hack that's going to help your skin look beautiful, but it would still look like your own skin. So this hack will work with any foundation you might have. It just won't work with a powder foundation, something like this one. This foundation is in a powder form, so this hack won't work with a powder foundation. But if you have a cream foundation or a stick foundation, it would work with that. All you need for this trick is a foundation and a face oil. Face oil, or actually any oil. You can use almond oil, you can use a jojoba oil, or there are so many different kinds of face oils in the market. For today's video, I'm going to be using this Royalry Essentials Rose Gold Oil. But as I said, you can use any oil for this trick. If you don't want to go and spend money on a face oil, the best is just get some pure almond oil and just use that. So let's get started with the foundation. Okay, so first I'm going to apply this Pixie Glow Mist. It's just going to prep my skin a little bit. So all you've got to do is take your cream foundation. Today I'm using this M.A.C Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC42. You can take some on your hand, but today I'm using this little tray. So I'm going to take some of this foundation on my tray, just a few drops. And now you're going to take some drops of that face oil and add it to your foundation. 1 and 2. I added 2 drops. And now I'll just use my finger and mix up the foundation and the oil. And now with the same finger, I'm going to apply a little bit on my face. And now I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend my foundation. And now I'm just going to carry on with my usual face makeup routine. I'm going to apply a little bit of this concealer under my eyes. Again, I'm just going to use the same beauty blender to blend out my concealer. And now I'm just going to set my face with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. And now I'm going to use this Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'll just bronze up my face. Now if you want, you can also highlight your face. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. So that's it, guys. That was my little hack for your foundation. It makes your foundation look flawless. I'm so in love with this technique. The best thing about using this technique is that it makes your skin still look like skin. It doesn't make your face look like you're wearing heaps of products, concealer over foundation. Trust me, just try this trick one time. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And if you don't love it, that's also fine. It doesn't hurt to try. You can just try it one time. I'm absolutely loving how it makes my skin look. It comes out so luminous on the skin. As you saw in this video, I use the tiniest amount of foundation. Usually I use a lot more than that, but with the oil and that tiny bit of foundation, I got a very, very good coverage on my face. So that's it for today. This was my foundation hack. I will be coming out with many more hacks like this. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and do share this video with your friends so they can also try this hack. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.